COSYGLOW portable nail drill kit stands out with a compact cordless design and sparkling finish that feels sturdy in the hand, rather than like a flimsy gadget. Its powerful motor offers salon-level rotational speed that can be finely adjusted, so both beginners and experienced nail artists can work comfortably and precisely. The handpiece runs with impressively low heat, minimal noise, and very little vibration, which makes longer manicure sessions much more comfortable. A generous rechargeable battery keeps the drill running for many hours on a single charge, so it is easy to use for travel, mobile appointments, or at home without hunting for an outlet. The included selection of multiple drill bits and sanding bands covers everything from shaping acrylics and gels to refining natural nails and cleaning cuticles. Overall, this kit combines stylish looks, strong performance, and practical accessories into a reliable everyday tool for at-home and professional nail care.